Let's bring in Priyanka Tibrewal, who is the secretary of the BJP in West Bengal. Ms. Tibrewal, the BJP not once but twice had made a formal representation to the Election Commission claiming that there are 17 lakh plus duplicate voters in Bengal. My question is, what concrete evidence does the party have to support that claim? And does this include these illegal voters that you're talking about? The larger question here is that the TMC says that this is about disenfranchisement rather than a scrutiny of cleanup.
Hi, very good evening, Maria. I don't understand if it is just an allegation and if there is no truth beyond whatever we are alleging, then why is the TMC government so scared? Why is it scared that, people will, their names will be struck out from the voter list? Whose names will be struck out from the voter list? Who are these people for whom Mamata Banerjee is wanting to walk on the streets? See, the theory is very simple. Mamata Banerjee is a queen of drama. So this political theatrics, now people understand very well. Every alternate day or thrice or 4 times in a month, there are offices where you are getting fake voter IDs, you find fake passports, documents where these officers are issuing these voter IDs and cards to people who are coming from Bangladesh by crossing the border. And this has been caught number of times in West Bengal. Now she's saying that anybody who's speaking Bengali, they are being caught all over in the India and they are being thrown out. And I'm asking them to come back to Bengal. Of course she wants them to come back to Bengal because they are the people whom this government has issued fake documents. And I am saying this, that there is content in whatever I am saying. These are the same people who have come from Bangladesh. Now Mamata Banerjee is saying that this is the job of the BSF. There are so many times when the Home Ministry recently thrice has written to Mamata Banerjee that allot us the land, acquire the land and please give it to the Home Ministry so that the fencing which is incomplete can be done. But Mamata Banerjee doesn't want that the fencing should be done. See, in the name of Bengali Ashmita, I am telling you, she's trying to bring those people under shelter who also speak Bengali, but these Bengali speaking people are from Bangladesh. These Bengali speaking people are from Rohingyas from Myanmar. Now she's saying Bengali. No, Bengal belongs to the Bengalis of Bengal, but not to the people who are speaking Bengali from Bangladesh and who are the illegal immigrants who have entered our country. Mamata Banerjee is trying to play this soft card of Bengali and she knows that, people will get attracted if she goes on the streets and say this. But people are no more fools. And it may be that people do not have a fake PhD degree from any Georgia University, but people of Bengal are now educated enough and sane enough to understand whose rights Mamata Banerjee is trying to
But Priyanka, there has been a genuine concern with regards to marginalized communities in Bihar where the exercise is ongoing right now, the SIR. My concern then is, how will the BJP address the concerns that targeting illegal voters actually might lead to harassment of the poor or the marginalized communities and the mobile population of the state?
No, I will tell you, in the past decade, we have seen that how effectively, how effectively technology has taken place, and that goes right to the roots where there were accounts which were opened, Jan Dhan accounts. We have seen everything. So the way they are trying to portray, that very marginalized people, migrant people, they don't know anything. That is not the fact. Now, each and every person, I believe, is conscious about their rights. They are conscious about their documents, their voter cards, their Aadhaar cards, everything. Now, if there is no match between the voter list and their documents which they are carrying, so that means that there is definitely something to be taken care of. So why is Mamata Banerjee scared? Because this has not been done by the BJP. This is the Election Commission who wants to go for this special intensive revision in the voter list. And if this is done, I believe that it would be good for each and every state. Because that is the way we'll come to know that who are the illegal people who are in any other state. I do not say that all the illegal immigrants who are coming from Bangladesh are settling down in Bengal. They may be going elsewhere. They are going to Bihar. They are going to Assam.
But Ms. Tibrewal, the fact is that the entire narrative that Mamata Banerjee managed to build in 2021 assembly elections did backfire on the BJP when she projected the BJP leadership as that of an outsider, and she is fighting for the linguistic identity. That is why she's saying that all Bengali-speaking people are being targeted. She is someone who stands up for Bengali pride.
Now, exactly. This is where I say that people of Bengal are now sane enough to understand these kind of theatrics. Mamata Banerjee is not worried about those Bengali-speaking people who have lost their jobs because of the corruption of Mamata Banerjee and her government. Mamata Banerjee is not bothered about those Bengali-speaking doctors of Arjikar who was raped. She's not bothered about that Bengali girl who was raped in a government law college. She is not bothered about those Bengalis whose rights she has curtailed, and she has given high-profile government jobs to the outsiders who are not Bengalis. Although these jobs, the Bengali-speaking people also deserve to get these jobs. But she hasn't given them all those jobs. So who are these Bengalis about whom Mamata Banerjee is bothered? These are the Rohingyas, these are the illegal immigrants from Bangladesh who speak Bengali also.
All right, Priyanka Tibrewal, appreciate your time. Thank you so much for joining us.